Hey, my name is Alex Cobb, and I'm here to help you set up your news group feed. So when you log into your platform, we're first going to start off right here on the dashboard. So if we want to set up our news group feed, it's going to be right here on the add feature. Now, once we're here and you check out the group newsfeed, over here in the bottom right hand corner, it's going to give you a quick description on what the group newsfeed is all about. The best way I could describe it to you is more like a forum, a chat, more like Facebook, for you to be able to build a community within your membership platform. But the best way I can show it to you is by giving you a quick demo here. So now let's create a group newsfeed. So let's select it. Beautiful. Now that we're here, we have a few options that we can set up. And these settings, by the way, it's pretty quick, super easy. So let's start off with this one. I actually like this icon right here, but I just want to check what else they have. This might actually look a little bit better. But so the next one is the name of the group newsfeed. And this one is going to be my photography group. So advanced photography group. Now remember, when I'm giving you the names of these groups or the titles, this is just an example, okay? So feel free to make sure that you are writing down something more related to your group and be creative about it, more creative than advanced photo group. So the feature status, this one is to activate this feature to your members. So if we leave it off, that means nobody has access to it at all whatsoever. If I turn it on, then that means everybody has access to it. For now, let's turn it off. Next one up is the hidden feature. Now, if I have this on and I have the hidden feature turned on, only a certain group of people that I have personally selected are going to be able to have access or even see this group newsfeed. Okay, so that means it doesn't exist to anybody unless they know about it from me activating it for them. But if I have it off, that means everybody has access to it and they can see it as well. This one is feature pricing. If I turn this on, that means I could charge for my group newsfeed, say a one-time fee or a monthly fee. Let's put it at $30, or even an annual fee of let's do $200. Right? Completely up to you on how much you want to price for your group newsfeed. For now, let's just turn this off, leave it free. Everybody has access to it as well, no hidden features. Now for the banner, I definitely want to add a banner to this, so let's do that right now. Remember, if you want to add your banner, it has to be at 6064 by 272 size. So I'm going to add that one now. I already have one ready to go. Beautiful. So I have my advanced photography group banner ready to go. So when it comes to my group newsfeed name, my name in there, I am the head photographer. And the group newsfeed description, this is more of how you want your group newsfeed to be all about. Say I want to niche it down even more when it comes to my advanced photography. Only filtered and scenic photos, right? So that means it's completely up to you how you want to decide on what goes down in your group newsfeed. Now, let's save that. Beautiful. Now let's go check out the timeline. Now, in order for us to actually save because as you can see right here in the upper right hand corner, this is my profile picture. But if I want a certain picture instead to represent the group, all I have to do is go to app settings, go to appearance, and then the favicon is going to represent that picture. And remember, the favicon size has to be 515 by 512. Make sure it's around that size as well. So make sure everything fits nicely. Let's save that. Beautiful. Let's go back to the advanced photography. Now let's make sure that everything here looks exactly like how I want it. So let's log in as a test member. I already have a test member ready to go right here. So I'm gonna now log in as the test member. So let's go to dashboard and go to view. So I just logged in as a test member into my membership platform, and this is exactly what it looks like. Now let's go check out the advanced photography group that I just made. Beautiful. So here's my banner. welcome to head photographer. And yeah, everything looks good. Now let's check out some posts, see what we can do with this. All right, so now I'm back in my dashboard and let's go do some posts. All right, let's go check out the timeline. Beautiful. So if I want to just do a quick post right now, I could write something right here. This is my first post, just to do a test post. And I could schedule that out, certain date, or I just want to publish it now. Let's just publish it now. And let's add something to my post here, like a picture or a GIF. Beautiful. So I just added a GIF to my post, and let's publish that now. Super cool. So let's log in as a test member to see what it looks like. Oh, nice. It was instant as well. That's super cool. So anytime somebody adds a post or likes my post or any type of comment at all, super cool picture, I'm going to get a notification of that on my side as a content creator. Super cool. Enter. Thumbs up. Let's check that out. And there it is. Somebody just replied to my post. Let's view that post right here. And there's more comments. Beautiful. Very nice lens. That's awesome. So obviously I could respond back right here. Thank you. And you can see all of the posts right here. Now let's check out what a second post would look like. This is my second post. And let's add another GIF on there. And let's publish that now. Beautiful. So it's separated by cards. So this is where my first post was, and then now my second post, my latest post, is always going to be at the very top. Check this out, guys. Beautiful. So over here on the upper right hand corner, just to go over some of your options that you do have as the content creator, you get to turn on or off your post approvals. Okay, so that means any post that your members want to add, if you want to add on the post approval and turn that on, that means it's not going to get published right away, whatever they're posting. Okay, so you're able to see all the published posts here, and then anybody who wants to add a post, it will be stuck right here on the pending post, just right here. So let's check that out. Let's see what happens if I, as a test member, were to add a post. Here it is. As a test member, let's add a post now. I want to add this post, please. Post now. And since we have pending post approval turned on, it says it right here, pending approval. So nobody else can see this other than that test member themselves and myself. So let's go check that out on the content creator side. And this is exactly what it looks like. So right here, I want to add this post. This is from the test member 1 second ago. And I can either reject it or approve it. So if I don't like any of the content that this person is saying, I could just simply reject it, or I can approve it. So let's approve it. So it's completely up to you how you want to run your published posts and your group newsfeed. So if you just want to open the gates, feel free to just turn this off, and everybody can be posting any type of, comments, any type of threads that they want to do. Completely up to them as your community. But if you want to make sure, though, nothing is inappropriate or anything you just don't like in your group newsfeed, you're more than welcome to do that, because that is your group. So all you have to do is turn that back on. There you go. And now if you do reject a post, you'll be able to find that here in rejected. Let's go see how that looks like. So let's post something that, the content creator might not like. This group is terrible. And let's post that. Now it's pending approval. So let's go check out the pending posts. Check that out. What? My group is not terrible. My group is awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reject that post. And that now is going to be ending up in the rejected post section right here. Beautiful. Because I don't believe that should be in my group. And as the member side, that post was now deleted. We don't see it anywhere at all. Can't be accessed anywhere at all either. Just completely gone. And the last one would be the upcoming post. I don't have anything scheduled right now, but let's see how that would look like. Let's go back to publish post and let's type in this video will be released in a few days. And let's add no gifts and that. Let's schedule it out. Let's have it scheduled out for, say, tomorrow at reasonable time, 10:50 a.m. Okay, schedule that out. Beautiful. And just to make sure I have all my posts that's scheduled out, that's all there, I want to check out the upcoming posts. And there it is. This video will release in a few days. I can either delete the post right now or edit it if I feel like I want to add more stuff to it. Let's say, you know what? I want to add a picture to it. And let's update. Beautiful. So now it's going to have a GIF into it, and it's still going to be scheduled out 18 hours from now. And that's all there is to it when it comes to your group newsfeed. So feel free to be creative about this. Add as many members as you can. This is how your membership site is really, truly going to come alive because it's much more interactive. This is how you get your members to return every single day, every single 5 minutes even, just to see who's posting what's the latest trend, what's the talk now. This is what's going to make your membership site really stand out here in platform. And that's the conclusion of adding a group newsfeed to your platform. If you have any other questions, reach out to us in the support section. On that, I will see you on the next help video.